I am the best programming language. I produce the most minimum heat and
बस अभी पता लग जाएगा कौन कितने पानी में है. Out of you all, who is good at performance and efficiency?
Me, that is me. I'm the fastest in executing a code as compared to all of them.
Who is good at Android app development?
I'm the best. I'm amazing at Android app development.
Who is platform independent?
Yay! हम दोनों platform independent है.
Fine, I'm not.
And who is good at competitive programming?
That's me. I have the best community support for CP.
Well, I'm the second most popularly used language for competitive programming.
It's not like that. I'm also in the race.
Who is good here at game development?
Me, that's me again. I'm the best at game development and other real-time applications as I'm the fastest in execution.
And who out of you is good at web development?
मुझे वेब डेवलपमेंट का बाप कहा जाता है. No one can replace me.
And who can help me to learn the machine learning?
Who else? I'm the one. Full of rich library support used for machine learning.
Who out of you supports the OOPS concepts?
I support OOPS.
Please let me know which one to use when.
For competitive programming, C++ is the best.
If you're interested in app development, then nobody can beat me.
If you're dreaming about machine learning, you can use Python.
If you're passionate about web development, you can use me.
Thanks guys, you can also use me for logic building.